India's coastline and strategic location make it central to global maritime trade, handling over 90% of our cargo volume. The sector is a cornerstone of economic growth, guided by Maritime India Vision 2030 and Amrit Kal Vision 2047. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, a maritime renaissance is underway to make India a major shipbuilding nation.
अब हम देश भर में शिप बिल्डिंग के लिए व्यापक कदम उठा रहे हैं। शिप बिल्डिंग इंडस्ट्री को उद्योगों की जननी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ एक जहाज ही नहीं बनता, उसके साथ जो उद्योग जुड़े होते हैं उनका विस्तार होता है। चीप हो या शिप, हमें भारत में ही बनाने होंगे।
Government of India has launched a shipbuilding reform package of about 70,000 crore rupees, which focuses on 4 strategic pillars: financial support, long-term financing, infrastructure modernization, and policy reforms. These reforms are expected to unlock 4.5 million gross tonnage shipbuilding output per annum, attract 4.5 lakh crore rupees investment, and generate 3 million jobs, positioning India as a global shipbuilding powerhouse. Global confidence is surging, reflected in recent landmark partnerships. CMA CGM ordering vessels from Cochin Shipyard. HD Queso and Cochin Shipyard launching ship block fabrication facility in Kochi. Cochin Shipyard and DP World developing offshore fabrication and ship repair clusters. Swan DHI and Samsung Heavy Industries collaborating. Acquisition of Colombo Dockyard by Mazgaon Dock. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister dedicates a suite of transformative initiatives to the nation. Shipping Corporation of India, expansion of fleet to 216 vessels by 2047. Launch of India's own Bharat Container Shipping Line with 51 container vessels. Oil and gas vessel orders worth 47,800 crore rupees. Green Tug Program. Acquisition of 100 eco-friendly tugs worth 12,000 crore rupees by 2040. Dredging Corporation of India. Acquisition of 11 dredgers. That is a total acquisition of 437 vessels, boosting the domestic shipping and shipbuilding ecosystem. India is entering a new era of maritime self-reliance and global leadership. This is Maritime Amrit Kal, India's global maritime future.
India's maritime sector has transformed. From legacy systems to future-ready infrastructure. Port capacity has doubled. Cargo volume surged nearly 50%. Inland waterways cargo grew 8x. Cruise passengers quadrupled. Seafarer base expanded 2.5x. Under the Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047, India aspires to become a leading maritime nation with quantum leaps in port capacity, shipping and sustainability. India enacted 5 landmark maritime laws, replacing colonial frameworks with modern, investor-friendly legislation.
भारत के समुद्री तट भारत की समृद्धि के प्रवेश द्वार बनेंगे और मैं बड़े गर्व के साथ और मैं दूर तक का देख सकता हूं कि भारत के समुद्री तट भारत की समृद्धि के प्रवेश द्वार बनने वाले हैं।
The winds of change are evident. with development of mega ports, transshipment hubs, and green hydrogen hubs, marking a new era of maritime strength, global connectivity, and self-reliance for India. This momentum now culminates in India Maritime Week 2025, a landmark moment of global collaboration with participation of around 85 countries, policymakers, industry leaders, and investment opportunities. Now we dedicate over 600 MOUs worth 12 lakh crore rupees are being signed, building a strong, self-reliant maritime India. The MOUs span across port-led industrialization, port development, sustainability, and shipbuilding. India is now promoting shipping as core infrastructure, and GIFT IFSC is emerging as a globally competitive hub for ship ownership and flagging with attractive tax and policy incentives. India welcomes foreign companies to flag and own ships under its jurisdiction with simplified norms and global best practices. And now, these MOUs are dedicated to the nation as a collective commitment to maritime excellence, economic resilience, and global leadership. India Maritime Week 2025 sets the course for a new era, connecting Bharat to the world and empowering generations to come.